Today we have a 2004 Toyota Land Cruiser with a 2UZ engine here. We'll be replacing the spark plug. So starting on the side, what we're going to do is remove two number 10s, one here and one right here, as well as remove three hoses from this air collector air trunk box. One here, and two right here. Just pull them all the way. And with the same number 10, we can loosen these clamp chairs like we've already done. And all we got to do is just pick it up and get out the way, which will expose the ignition coils. So after we've removed the air trunk and the air collector box from this area, removing all the hoses and stuff, we're going to remove all the ignition coils, number 10s, and disconnect all the connectors and get these out of the way. Once we do that, pretty much spark plugs will be exposed. Alright guys, now that we've unplugged and removed the ignition coils, we're going to go ahead and just start removing our old spark plugs. Alright guys, so I went ahead and took all the old spark plugs out, put new ones in, and now we're just going to torque them down to 13 foot-pounds. Okay guys, so I pretty much in and out, torque down 13. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish closing the side up and go to the other side. Okay, so we're now on the left side here. First thing we're going to do to replace these here is we're going to remove this bracket here. It kind of covers the cylinder here, or sorry, the coil pack here. So two number 10s, one here and one here. And then we're just going to pull this bracket out the way. It's going to make our life way easier. So let's go ahead and do that. So after removing those 10s, just pull this bracket out the way, and it pretty much frees up everything around here. So let's go ahead and unplug and remove these coil packs. Okay guys, so now that the coil packs are unplugged and removed and pretty much everything's out the way, we're just going to go ahead and replace the spark plugs, doing the exact same thing we did the other side, and we'll be done. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos come.